Imagine your child not just using technology, but creating it. At Exceliya, our Innovation Robotics program empowers young minds to build, code, innovate, and solve real-world problems through exciting hands-on robotics projects. Today's children are growing up in a world driven by artificial intelligence, automation, and smart technologies. Robotics helps students develop critical thinking, creativity, problem-solving skills, and confidence. Essential abilities for the careers of tomorrow. Our program is carefully designed to align with STEM education and Saudi Vision 2030. Level 1 introduces students to the exciting world of Arduino robotics. Students learn electronics fundamentals, build circuits using breadboards, explore sensors, and create projects using Scratch programming and Tinkercad simulation. They build real projects such as smart lighting systems, rain alarms, water level indicators, and sensor-based automation systems. In Level 2, students take their skills further by building mobile robots. They learn Arduino programming, motor control, sensor integration, and wireless communication. Students create obstacle-avoiding robots, line-following robots, and Bluetooth-controlled robotic vehicles that can navigate and respond intelligently to their environment. Level 3 introduces advanced technologies including the Internet of Things, cloud connectivity, and smart automation. Students develop connected robotics projects, design user interfaces, and create smart systems that can be monitored and controlled remotely. This level also provides an exciting introduction to artificial intelligence concepts and future technologies. Throughout the program, students develop coding skills, engineering knowledge, logical thinking, teamwork, communication, and innovation. Most importantly, they gain the confidence to transform ideas into real inventions. Give your child the opportunity to become a creator, innovator, and future technology leader. Join Exceliya's Innovation Robotics program today and watch your child build the future, one project at a time.